Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so. What friend me Adwoa searching. Ebusuan for Mr. So subscribe ya Mr. No subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news.
No kyerɛ men to aba so fa so no no.
Ai.
Oti enye sɛ yɛ me de so obi anu aduane bɔ na mo so fa so no no.
Yes.
Abato won susu aso.
Na no amade.
The social contract that the NDC have with us no. Omo for feeling you.
Na no sister amade kuba ha. Ena o ma obi fi circle sinu ebi wo circle ye fu ho adwuma yi e bi ba na o ba o su
adan wo su
adwuma na kofam
sa
na
o su obo
say ayi for game boys na mo chichi o mu kra nti dia say adwuma na kra ena me ka chen say mo dodo na wo circle ye beto aba ye ba ho no mo a
na mu di atam
mo se ye mo nto aba
me kai na mu di atam wa be obi asika nyara obi asika nche obi aboto
yes bi ayi odora is substitute no ye koye obi live program free o ye nto aba ena ye nto aba One was about to use now.
Asma make a bra want. Mrs. Social contract aban we ni o my Ghana won for feeling you. Wo de wo chi ni pagum na ko bia nwuma. And now one support and line session o mama actual line session exam so mo pa ko fail no. Wo so bia to aso mienu ade ni close. Wo bia ba ko bia betua 75 Ghana.
Yes.
Wo ko black up no so a o mo ka wo ho. 75 Ghana nti wo bia mienu a say 150 mboa. And I say 150 right. Yes. What would you 150 ni we are o ko bia third one yes why is still time. NDC for omugu black up no so take up omusu by ya breso no ombe ka kire opposition say omunim die nti obi akọ training college awie no so sabe troll and session exams so omu ka say free SHS ebe collapse
yes
say so omu the free 2027
double
2029 double track sorry echo 2029 na be ya anye
na ku fa do promise ni say anka by 2027 no obe wie double track.
Yes, will be okay.
And a man penny Mahama share boy in opposition say oba first year now double track will be over.
Double track will be over.
And your baby and if you also repeat 2027 and not the court 2029. So what it means they say and then 4 years now.
The air cost one
double track into
one can say Ghana for short maybe.
Yeah.
On say near my cost ye chinipa see a chinipa ko tumu keke. Nkofo nyuma baby omu didi baby omu nyoma no aduane yes no. Without any source of way say aha ne yesi de ama mo nkotena ha de koton wade aha ne yesi de ama wo na se adwuma we na aban na bie se ne no maban no ase mfidi ase obibi ade ya adwuma akwa ha ubenya adwuma ne bia ye sa social contract no mo ne o man Ghana ye san ye no ebisa ni ho ba cho utie me ebisa ni ho ani die misre bisa se Mustafa Bandi eti radio so a waye ne ho kasa mampen chema wuntumi adidi mampani ne yira tam enti na bia ma yede na kotomo a na ni age o de o sebo ne ani je kan o to say we are friends in MPP who are even happy that ya jeli chema wuntumi na wo so we MPP ni the whole biggest regional chairman akwa kotum na o tena se bosse tie o tena se bosse e friend this ni em wani je ya chena kotum ya ka se yede ne betum no yede na tum na MPP ni a aduane a wonu ma adidie ne beto. With due respect, I do not intend to disrespect Obi Anope. But so young people ni you say train kan yankasa abonte so for me fanko. Etire any train kan yankasa abonte so for me wura me fanko kodi o. Eti so young people ni na atena ho na so wani age wo bo se ye de chema huntu yakotum 20 years. Se bo kwa so beba.
Yeah.
Enya politics ni ye de na tum. Anamboa. Aba wo transo te da kingdom camp.
No bi anim.
Say yesu bo adoma cleanse ye kwa heaven. Sada na aba we begu. Aba we say ye da obeko. Aka wana abia so obeko.
Yes.
It is any pan over chama huntumi obetimi ahwe nanim. And you see sir otan hunu ya tanipa just like that. Now ha NDC ni bia fe jeli no. Oh jeni asemi de eye ya pa wona say sa na mo nso de ne be ya. So wo so be di mi hu fe wo say ye wo de wo. Say January na wo fe.
O jam say de.
Me so o jam asene. And they should remember makasa asemu ma me repeat biem. Say power changing ne which I know say inshallah by the grace of God nyame be pagya ne nsa. Na ya nyam pepeni na wakọ utie wakọ mampani ho na wakọ swami former swami MP kura desempo they are chief of staff ni akọ chairman sabonso ni abefre Jennifer ni akọ we ho ni aba party national chairman ho ni aba general secretary ni aba we ho say ya pa chaw me ba na ne ba atwempana tie me ba na ne ba be ware menen ne ko school menen ne tena classroom MPP for mutia muntie ni
menen ne tena Chicago
yentie sasa menen ne tena Chicago menen ne ko Ohio menen ne ko university beka brofa kase kire nobody there so ba be pa obi achew See am fanche.
So yes sir. Because no dem sabe keka.
Oh, there be so ko kan na sa wo trete. On ba be sra no ya be bisa se de on ho te. Uti e wo fie on ba be sra. No ba bisa se wo pom te se wo ho ye. Sa de na wa ye no nko anti. Me see this ni one cap, one bi. Won sa de aduanu twa fufuo no otwa. Ofuo the next minute no do kotom. And people are happy.
Me can show MP baako. Ayi bi oti ya no tonight. And I say I say that room is honorable. Oso nim ni ekoso me say there bi. O say omo ben people wa ben mu no. Na dafia makpo. Ene obo MPs bi do voter region. E be do sala ono ene tomu. Na
MPP ni di sala wo na tomu no bi ma. Utie.
E ma omo de koma omo nkrofo.
Enti wo be kasa asem we na wo say na no kora apopo na na no
omba ben mu. Ofred da fima kpono kura won. Onye let parliament. Nso ofred na won fa.
Ofred na on fa ya katua ni bi no. Say ya me e na mko sa MP a wo kan ho. Se na odi aban wonya appointment a me call ne ho. Se me beje bibi kakra na de akoma Musremi form ma no. Se me ye na eda ma na no ne ono abo Fatima to abaka. Ene Laura to ni Ellen. Ye beje ne ma kakra na ye de akwakoboa ma no kran ke hwe ani achi. Ye de atiko na be man ne aka kire se mkro mo duebo. Ene wo betena aka kire wo se ona na mo no mo de kokoma o de ko ne constituency me bo sabra na ye ne de no de na fom but ne ona net parliament o nyese won te parliament o friend on fa me nyese so chia no ko beje so and that thing is not going to repeat itself my brother
Inti I am the said the very painful way.
Yes, because you had the opportunity to say I didn't want him the saddest thing. A good yes. Yantia for be antumuda. I am not saying so because prison I am no. We are saying na mo be a potential prisoner yes ready say onye mfiri musoni esan. But the question is 8 years there na me here. Because of child power make can here be. Now something nam hwa but the good thing is that exactly e be adani dwanto ahene but the good thing is that the case is still at the court. Case is still at the court. It's not acquainted and discharge.
Oma discharge bebre.
Oma discharge bebre.
Oma discontinue bebre. Oma discharge bebre.
And so this say all discontinue. It does
Yachi road ministry for any TV3 pants down. Hey, and Crawford professional scammers. Just say scam pa. Hey, me what dreamy. Do you know say road ministry for no? Pictures I almost posty. I almost social media pages. Say almost your roads. Majority of them a Photoshop. Majority of them a Photoshop na. Almost your Photoshop ni you know mo post you on my Facebook page. No more the pictures na my TV3. Na TV3 for so e dey news. No more dey news no ma publish e dey DCV Ghana for enti every TV3 ba. Obe free say e no kre but majority of the pictures are almost posty circulate on social media. Say NDC aban and a big push. Almost ye roads no a Photoshop. Chale we a scandalous crashing in Green Book no. And ranche be one of Rungo. I am Shemu and Omati NDC fui. Would you show video no? Who should we are branding didn't come more? Nah, and Crawford scammers are come for pa.
The road minister, the Ghanaian road minister has started lying to Ghanaians.
And to TV3, you also picked photos from the same page that the mini posted as to whether the photos were authentic. You posted them without verifying.
I'm here with Bernard to tell you guys why I'm saying this. We are here with proofs and evidence. We are currently at the Navrongo Sandma Road. So I have Bernard here to tell us why I'm saying this. Charlie?
My name is Bernard Azutiba. 5 days ago, the Rose Ministry posted on their Ministry of Road and Highways page that there is an ongoing construction work around this particular stretch, which I, Bernard, has come here with a team to ascertain the truth, to verify and to feed the general public that what the league claims is misleading. It's totally false. This particular road, which was abandoned by the erstwhile MPP government and later on was taken over by the current NDC government, was worked on. The road saw a completion, a partial completion around July to August. Big push was initiated. It started around September to claim that this particular stretch is part of the big push project, I think it's misleading.
So meaning the minister posted this particular stretch,
Yes.
claiming it's part of the big push
Yes, we
project.
can see photos. This particular pole, this
Okay.
particular electricity pole was there.
Okay.
The tree around the riverbank was
the
there.
mango tree.
We could also see this particular bridge, the broken bridge. It was part of the photos. Please, the cameraman, to bring the photo here. This particular part of the road too was captured. By then, there was a machine around that place working on the road. And the minister particular posted that partial works were ongoing, as if currently works are ongoing. There is nothing like road construction on this particular part of the road. Mr. President, there is nothing I can say on authority that there is nothing like road construction going on this particular part of Navrongo Sandima Road. Tomorrow morning, we would be heading to Navrongo China Road to do verification and authentication. This particular road isn't part of the big push project. It saw completion, and the works that were done, it was just partial for us to have access to Sandima, and the way they did the road is just some kind of shoddy works. Please let us check here. When the torrential rain starts around August, I fear this particular part of the road might see or cave in again. The contractor or the road minister needs to come to this part of the road and check for himself, instead of sitting at Accra then saying that works are ongoing. There's nothing like works going on here. Please, we are informing the general public. It is not as you've seen it online. Thank you. My name is Bernard Azotiba.
Abusia, so basically, it's a roadway, MPP are buying, and a shall say, oh yeah. Inti ye go first coat, a year bridge in there, honum. Ye go first coat, thinking, say, ye be we need elections, so near Baba, second coat, in a third coat, near ye, Yati and say free road, you know. And a fofian to water, and MPP, if I bear mu. Abusia, few days ago, Anna Ministry of Roads, Eco Posti pictures on their platform, Facebook platform, say, sa particular road no na Rongo Sandama road no. Currently, as at that time, road no, the construction cost of machines, ACC so. Woko hon wa be hunu say big push ye adwuma. Na no na mrantie ya gba na ya ko road ne so. Omoko ya. O road no, se ne MPP for ye ya ye gya ho ekoye no. Sa na tie. NDC aben sabi yomo kura mo fan ko kan road ne so, but o call mo Facebook page a o ma posti wo ho say road construction koso and o ma adi pictures o ma ye ne Photoshop and you see near say feminine say TV3 for carry this storyline e publish ye e wo mo Facebook page e sign ye news item wo ho e wo TV3 e ma Ghana for e hwe. And he say, who big push project be say, cause when this for the catch or say, yeah, road construction be, ha na sa ha, me patrol for any equation. Don't believe in pictures I almost post you on social media. Don't believe in even videos I almost post it because in Photoshop ni AI generated pictures. I know me DCV Ghana for. Me say we a green book. Scam pan. And this way there's a Chrono Fracadam 4197. Hey! Ajemesem. Ghana for ya that's how you go.